Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2020 Mercedes GLC300. First time driving a 2020 Mercedes, and just driving it here, it is really nice. Once we get inside, we'll check out some of the ambient lighting, and it just is phenomenal. Love the wheels. I believe these are AMG Sport wheels. You can see all of the LED lighting on the badge. Mercedes logo on the ground. Here's where this thing is absolutely awesome. Yeah, I'm feeling a bit green today. Yeah, there's green. Red. Or that's actually more magenta. And then, so say you want the climate a little bit warmer, that turns red and blue. I mean, do they need to do that? Absolutely not. Is it phenomenal? Absolutely. Oh, that's pretty cool. Multicolor animation. So it can change colors as, oh no, so the inner door handle's a different color, and it just, that is awesome. Let's do fire red. Yeah, that's cool. .248 horsepower from a turbocharged 4-cylinder. Not actually that bad at all. It's what this car is perfectly suited with. If you want more, you can get a GLC AMG and go absolutely insane and take down X3Ms. But honestly, this is a perfect all-around car. The wheels are a staggered setup, meaning the rear tires are wider than the front tires. Did not expect that at all. The rear tires are in fact wider than the X3M, which has double the power. So this car shouldn't lose any traction. Huge tires in the rear, and then a slightly narrower setup in the front. I believe another option in these as well is you can get massaging seats. I know with higher end option packages, they come with massaging seats. It's the amount of technology that are in these SUVs now is absolutely mind-blowing. Do have paddle shifters behind the wheel. Nice and responsive. Honestly, this drives a lot better than I thought it would. Wow, that's actually really impressive. Thing with the turbocharged 4 cylinders used in these cars is they're designed for low-end torque. Not really like the 60 millimeter turbos that you find in 1,000 horsepower Supras and stuff like that. The smaller the turbo, the easier it is to spool up, meaning you can get peak torque around 2,000, 2,500 RPM. It's extremely useful in day-to-day driving where you're not gonna be at 6,000 RPM all day, so you can just pass on the highway without needing to drop 3 gears. It's very ingenious. Another plus side with smaller turbos is it takes a lot less time to spool, meaning very little turbo lag, which is always good. Supercars of the 1980s had those big, massive turbos, and a lot of accidents in those cars were caused by turbo lag, where driver would apply a certain level of power, about a second later, turbo would kick in, and all of a sudden the car's going a lot faster than you would ever think. Look at that ambient lighting. That is just so cool. As with most cars that I drive, I am driving this in its sporty aesthetic setting, Sport Plus mode. Even in Sport Plus, the ride is really, really comfortable. Obviously, this was not designed to be a Nürburgring lap time setter, so the suspension is sporty while not being overbearing. It's very difficult to get that balance right, and Mercedes managed to do so very, very well. Go ahead, create a little bit of a gap so we can try the power here. That's not bad. It really isn't. Decently quick for an SUV of this size. on these curves, the front end does feel really nice. Steering is decently weighted, not overbearing, but also not extremely light. It's a very good balance. This car is a very balanced car. Nothing is overly soft, nor overly sporty and in your face. It is a very good mixture. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.